Request the activity table in the document. If set as a work's execution time schedule, add the executed amount column in the table. Also copy amounts with a double currency, for example euro and dollars. Activate the dates and amounts table. Add the executed amount column. You can also choose to ignore printing days with a zero amount. Print the page closure lines. Activate the document header. Print the page alignment signs to correctly join up large-scale diagrams when printing on multiple sheets. Activate the financial plan printing. Specify paper orientation, the type and font size and print quality. Activate column lines and margins and color printing. Specify from which page to start numbering. View the requested document in the print preview.